Gauri Ashram, popularly known as Gauri Ashram. Actually, it is registered in the name of my parents, Dyali Bai Lalchand Gauri Charitable Trust. So this is what is here. Then he also wanted to do some services, additional services. We had an adjacent land here. He wanted a housing colony for the poor people. That has been constructed in the name of my father. Now, I am very actively involved in Rotary. I have given a few crores to Rotary Foundation, and then I am the first Arch Clump Society member in combined, when it was a combined Andhra Pradesh. I am the first Arch Clump Society member. I have 3 endowment funds, the earnings of which are utilized for the service activities as per their norms. It is not for personal use. Most of this governors have come here, most of the officers have come here. We do not take even 1 rupee from anybody. This we manage it on our own. Even the housing colony also, we have given them free. Free in the sense, every member, whosoever wanted a house, he had to pay 101 rupee. 1 rupee for registration and 100 rupees is the share value. And that is nearby. You will be able to see that place also. It is hardly at a distance 150 yards from here. 22 houses got 101 rupee. Then we had the adjacent land where we again went around, saw some poor people, gave them the land, paid them for the registration charges, and we continue to help them for their children. The children education and things that we are doing it from here only. Gauri Ashram, basically we started with the idea of bringing up parentless girl children. And that is how we started. Initially we had a batch of 11 children. Then gradually we kept on receiving more. And then gradually when they came here, they were 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years each. And then now most of them, they have got married. Now we are left with only 11 children. The next batch of children we are expecting now shortly, next which will come. The next batch, my son will look after them. See, if I do everything on my own, the idea is, now first of all let me tell you, I had a friend, he had no daughter. So he wanted to have a daughter, he did not have daughter. So he said he would like to do one Kanyadan. I said okay. And then subsequently my friends, IAS officers, IPS officers and all that, I have a lot of friends, I invited them to do Kanyadan. There's an IAS officers couple, Shalini Mishra and Ajay Mishra. They did the second marriage here. They came here, they have done the second marriage, the Kanyadan. Likewise, recently Malla Reddy and his wife, they have done Kanyadan for one girl. And now the recent one is and most of these girls are well qualified. They have done masters. Either in the final year they were doing masters or they have already completed masters. Well placed, got the job from the campus interview itself and doing very well. The boys now we select for the marriages, we find out their age qualification should not be less than the girls' qualification, should be more, and whether they can independently manage, how much is their income, everything we verify, and then only we arrange the marriages here. Then except my own daughter, this is the first Kanyadan I will be doing it at Gauri Ashram. My son has already done one Kanyadan for one girl. Everything, education, till they get married. Even when they get married also, everything we arrange from here. And all the things, required things for the house, whether it is utensils or whether it is bed cots or whether it is a sofa, TV, everything in advance, before the marriage takes place, we make sure that it reaches the boy's house. Happiness is there, we are bringing up, we have brought in shines in their life and we have got them educated. It is not only this, not only Gauri Ashram. I'll tell you, yesterday we had been to another ashram, Cherish. They are also having these girls. And there also we have done a lot of things. We support them. I'll show you the photographs now, but then ultimately we support them fully. Bridge schools are children, those who are out of schools, they are brought from there to the bridge school. Either the child is at home, he is not able to go to school, or he is very poor, they cannot afford to send him, or he is of 10 years age and he is earning them something. We do not want the children to work before 14, below when they till the age of 14 years. Whatever children we find, that as it is, we bring them to these bridge schools, get them training there, and after that, whichever the appropriate class they fit in, the headmaster or the principal of the government school comes there, he decides which child should go to which class. Only one club in India, that is Majestic Star Club, we have done approximately 1200 students. More than 700 is my own personal contribution. Success, it goes to I got the guidance from my father. Okay. It is my father only I got. Mother also great to me. Yes. Parents only. And then ultimately now the success is through my son. He is earning and I am spending. Yes, and it will continue for some time more till I am alive. After that he continues with this. Now the endowment funds which I have created with Rotary, that is also bringing income. To whom? To Rotary. With that income also I can do charity, as per my choice, I can do the charity in a specified area. The amount has to be spent on the charity and it does not, it cannot be used anywhere else. Now I had sponsored many people for Paul Aristolos, like cricketers, IS officers, governors, state governors. Most of the governors have come here. All of them, governors along with their spouses. On each name, I deposited $1,000 and made them, honored them, Paul Aristotle at Gauri Ashram only. They will not get this money. This money, whatever the interest comes from this money, that will be used for charitable services in this state only. And let me tell you, whatever I am giving, God is giving more than what I am giving. Yes, the more you give, the more God will give you. Gauri Ashram, since girls are staying here, we do not want men to come. If at all they have to come with a trustee, means myself or my son. We have to accompany them when they come inside. They can come with their families, most welcome. Ladies can come. Ladies need not to take my permission. Here there are 2 ladies number of ladies are here, they are managing it. But if men want to come inside or the boys want to come inside, they will have to take permission. They cannot come just like in. Everything is being paid by the trust. Their children don't have to pay anything. We buy them uniforms, we buy them dresses, everything is taken care of. They have a vehicle for going to the school and college. So absolutely, and we find out till they get married, they are my granddaughters. We have already deposited some money in the name of each child. That we don't use it. That is given to them the moment they are going out of this place, that is presented to them. That is for the future. Otherwise, we give them everything what a normal girl getting outside married. What are the normal things given in dowry? Though dowry is not permitted by law, but we give them cots, we give them mattresses, we give them saris, suits, everything we give them. Ek shaadi ka average 4 lakhs. Yeah, 4 lakhs, it is less now. Why it is less now? Because of Corona and the number of people cannot be present there. Otherwise, if my Rotarians comes, we will have a gathering of 1,000 people. Yes, because of Corona during this period, we have done about 4 marriages.